All right, today we're going to completely change the way you use Windows. Seriously, forget about all that slow, deliberate mouse clicking. We are about to dive into the lightning-fast world of keyboard shortcuts, the kind that will turn you into an absolute power user.
So let me ask you, how fast are you, really? Are you still hunting for that one icon in the Start menu? Still digging through layers of folders? Well, by the end of this, you'll be zipping around your entire system without your hands ever leaving the keyboard.
So here's the game plan. We're going to tackle this in 4 parts. We'll start with the most important key on your keyboard, then move to some amazing shortcuts for instant access. After that, we'll level up to advanced system controls and wrap it all up with some seriously pro-level commands. Sound good? Let's get started. Okay, so our journey has to begin with the absolute foundation of everything we're about to do, the Windows key. You probably press it all the time without even thinking about it, but we're about to unlock its real potential. Think of it as your system's command center. You know, that little key with the Windows logo on it? That's your gateway. Just tapping it pops the Start menu open and closed, sure. But when you start combining it with other keys, well, that's where the magic really happens. Mastering this one key is step 1. All right, let's keep building on that. In this next part, we're going to focus on the shortcuts that are going to save you the most time day in and day out. These are the ones that cut out all those repetitive, kind of frustrating clicks you do without thinking. First one up, this is a big one. Windows key plus the E key. Boom. This is your immediate ticket to every single file and folder on your computer. No more searching for that little folder icon on your taskbar. Just one quick press and you are in. And check this out. This is why it matters. It takes what? Maybe 4 seconds to go to the Start menu and click the icon, but the shortcut, it's about 1 second. That's a 75% time saving right there. Now imagine multiplying that by the hundreds of times you open your files every single week. It adds up fast. Up next, we've got Windows key plus I. This one instantly opens up your main settings window. You need to connect to a new Wi-Fi network, change your display, manage a Bluetooth device. This shortcut takes you straight there, and you get to bypass at least 3 or 4 clicks every single time you use it. And now for a personal favorite of mine, a real power user move, Windows key plus R. This little command opens the Run box, which is just this simple, powerful tool for launching anything on your computer by name. If you know the name, like Notepad or Calc for the calculator, you just type it, hit Enter, and you're done. It's the fastest way to get to specific tools, period. Okay, we've covered the shortcuts you'll use every day. Now, let's get into the stuff that gives you deep, precise control over your system's guts, its performance and core functions. This is where we go from being a casual user to a system administrator. This next one, this one's critical. Has an app ever just frozen up on you? Instead of panicking or fumbling around, just press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together. This is your emergency button. It brings up the task manager directly, no messing around. It's your immediate fix. And here's exactly why you need to know this one. You can instantly kill that program that's not responding. But you can do so much more. You can see which app is secretly eating up all your computer's resources, slowing everything down. You can even manage which programs launch when you start your computer, which can make it boot up way faster. Okay, you want to see a secret? Try Windows key plus X. This pops open a hidden menu that most people don't even know is there. It's often called the Power User menu, and it's just packed with direct links to all the most important system tools. And just take a look at what's in there. You've got one-click access to things like the device manager, disk management, and the super powerful Windows terminal. I mean, this is the real command center for anyone who needs to seriously manage their machine. Ever need to quickly check your computer's specs? Just hit the Windows key plus the pause/break key. It instantly pulls up the System Properties window. This tells you exactly what processor you're running, how much RAM you have, all the core details. It is the fastest system checkup you can do. All right, for our last section, we're looking at the shortcuts that are just elegant. They solve specific problems with a professional touch. Honestly, these are the ones that are going to make your colleagues look over and think you're some kind of technical wizard. Let's be real, taking screenshots can be a pain, but not with a Windows key plus print screen. This little combo doesn't just capture your screen, it automatically saves the image directly into a folder. No more opening up Paint and pasting, it's a one-and-done deal. Now here's a classic shortcut that a lot of people misuse. We all know Alt plus F4 closes whatever window is active. But what if no window is active? Try it. Click on your empty desktop first, and then press Alt F4. It brings up the classic shutdown menu. It is the absolute fastest, no-nonsense way to power down your PC. And finally, for all you multitaskers out there, the ones who use virtual desktops to keep your work organized, this one is for you. Windows key plus Control plus F4 will instantly close the virtual desktop you're working in. It just streamlines your whole workflow without ever needing to touch the mouse. It's a true productivity powerhouse.
So there you have it, a whole new toolkit to take you from a casual clicker to a keyboard champion. But look, knowing this stuff is one thing, actually using it is another. The only way these shortcuts will stick is if you start using them right now. So what's the first one you're going to try today? Pick one, and once you start, you'll honestly wonder how you ever got by without them.